I'm going to show how to replace the power steering fluid. This is partial replacement, so I did the whole replacement of whole volume in the system last year. Now I'm going to do the same, but since I have about half liter left of the transmission oil, ATF Dextron III, so this is the one that you can find here. ATF, so Dextron III. It became a little bit darker, but just let's say to remove the extra dirt from the system, I'm going to take it out. So the first thing that I need is this syringe. Let me see. Taking it out. Then I will need to start the car for some time, and we'll do the same procedure again and again. You can see it's a little bit brownish. So now I'm putting the new transmission fluid in, so you can see that the color is really pink, to make sure that it is in the correct level. So cold max and hot min. Alright. So it took about 100 milliliters. So we'll need to do the same iteration over and over to make sure that it looks more like pink. This is the syringe that I'm using. You can see the color here and the color in here. It's just two different colors. And it's been 1 year since I used the old power steering fluid.